Good morning everyone. I am Garima from BSc Chemistry Honors second year. Today we are going to start our chapter Chemistry of Actinides. As we have learned in chapter first, F block element consists of two series of elements placed at the bottom of periodic table. These two series are lanthanoids and actinoids, which involve the filling of 4F and 5F subshell respectively. We have studied the chemistry of lanthanoids in chapter 4. Let us now discuss the chemistry of actinides. The 14 element which follows actinium from thorium to lawrencium in the periodic table are called actinides. These are analogous to actinides and involve the filling of 5f orbital. As in the case of lactinides, the name of the series is after the name of preceding element actinium with which these element closely resembles. These are also called actinoids. Before 1940, only the naturally occurring actinides, thorium, protactinium, and uranium were known. The remaining elements are made artificially by nuclear bombardment. These elements are called man-made elements. Since these man-made elements have atomic number higher than U, they are sometimes also called transuranium elements. Indeed, now man-made transuranium element consist about 15% of all the known chemical element. All the actinides are toxic to humans. These elements are radioactive and therefore the isolation and characterization of these elements, particularly the heavier one, poses many problems. The individual elements are not produced clearly in isolation but must be separated from other actinides as well as lanthanoids produced simultaneously by fission. These study poses serious problem due to the following reason. In decay processes, the emitted particles are extremely energetic, which breaks bond and rupture crystal structure. The energy given out appears largely as heat in the sample. For example, the heat produced by millimolar solution of curium 242 salt in water would be sufficient to evaporate the solution to dryness in short time. The radioactive nature has also two serious operational consequences. Because of radioactive nature, it necessary to employ elaborate radiation shielding, and therefore in many cases operations may be carried out by remote control. The heavier elements are produced only in a very small amount, therefore it is very difficult to isolate and characterize these elements. However, the advancement in research and development of sophisticated instruments have made the chemistry of actinoid as a fantastic subject. General characteristics of actinides. Electronic configuration. The actinides involve the filling of 5F subshell. Actinium has the electronic configuration 6d1 7s2. From thorium onwards, 5F orbital get progressively filled. Because of almost equal energy of 5F and 6d subcell, there are some unconditional regarding the filling of 5F and 6d subcell. The energy may be either of those two subshells. Therefore, there is a doubt whether thorium contains 5F elements or not, or two electronic configuration are suggested for them. TH is equal to 5F0 6d2 7s2 or 5F 161 7s1. Because of the uncertainties, different works has suggested different configuration. The most widely accepted electronic configuration of elements is given in table 1. The general electronic configuration of actinium may be written as Rn 5F1 to 14, 6D0 to 17S2. Second is physical properties. The general physical constants are given in table 2. Some of them are discussed below. Melting point and boiling point. Melting and boiling point are moderately high because of the considerable lower than that of transition element. However, there is no regular trend in melting and boiling point values. Density of actinides first increases and then decreases. Heat of fusion and vaporization measured only for a few elements. The heat of vaporization in general decreases from therium to Am. Third is the oxidation state. They show +2, +3, +4, +5, +6 oxidation state. +3 is the most common among all the actinides. The different oxidation state are given in table 3. Next is the ionic radii and actinide contraction. Like lanthanides, actinide also show actinide contraction. The size of atom or ion of actinides decreases regularly along the series with the increase in atomic number from actinium to lawrencium. This steady decrease in the ionic radii with the increase in atomic number is also called actinide contraction. Decrease in ionic radii of actinides is given in figure 1. Melting point. The magnetic properties of actinides are lesser than the theoretical proceeded values. This is attributed to the fact that 5F electron of actinides are more exposed to crystal field and therefore they are less effectively shielded. This result in quenching of orbital contraction. The magnetic moment of tri-positive actinides decreases from U3 positive to give a minimum at Pu3 positive, after which it increases and show a maximum at CF3 positive. Therefore, it starts decreasing again as shown in figure. Color of ions. Actinide ion are generally colored. The color of actinide ion depends upon the number of 5F electron. The ion consisting no 5F electron or 7 5F electron are colorless as expected. The ion containing 2 to 6 electron and 5F subshell are colored. The color arises out of electronic transition between various energy state within the 5F subcell. Next is the formation of complexes. Like lanthanides, actinides also form complexes. However, actinides have greater tendency to form complex in comparison to lactinide. This is because of higher charge and smaller size of their ions. They form a wide range of complexes in a different oxidation state of actinides. For +3 oxidation state, where there is much resemble to lactinides, octahedral coordination and coordination number 9 are found. For +4 oxidation state, coordination number 8 is very common. In +5 oxidation state, the ACF83 negative ion has cubic coordination, while in +6 oxidation state, the hexafluorides are strictly octahedral. The general tendency to complex ion formation is controlled by ionic size and charge and decreases as M4 positive, MO2 2 positive, M3 positive, MO2 positive. For anions, the order of complexing ability is general. Uni-negative and bi-negative order is given. Complex formed by actinides are discussed below. Most of the actinide halides form complex ion with alkali metal halides. For example, thorium tetrachloride form the complex such as KTHCl5, K2THCl6, K3THCl7 with KCl. Complex of type KPa F5 Na3Pa F8 have been isolated from aqueous media. Thorium tetrachloride and tetrabromide form complex with pyridine such as THCl4.py, THBr4.py. Next is reactivity. The actinides are electropositive and are very reactive metals. The reactivity increases with increase in atomic number. The direct Reaction of actinides with oxygen, halogen, and acid are similar to those of lactinides. They react with halogen to form non stoichiometric hydride with the formula NMH2 and or MH3. They readily tarnish in air, forming a coating of oxide, which is protective in the case of TH but less so for other elements. These metals react with most known metal, especially when heated. They resist attack of alkalis and are very reactive towards acid. The chemistry of actinide is mainly concentrated on U and to be lesser expect on TH and Pu. Compounds of actinides. They form many compounds with non-metal. Some of the important compounds are discussed below. Oxides. Actinides form oxides in a different oxidation state +2 +3 +5 +6. Oxide of actinides are a refractive material. THO2 has the highest melting point of any oxide. These have been extensively studied because of their importance as nuclear fuel. Dioxides. They are known for almost all actinides. They are generally prepared by ignition of the appropriate oxalate or hydroxide in air. The expectation are CmO2 and CfO2, which require O2 rather than air, and PaO2 and UO2, which are obtained by the reduction of higher oxide. For example, UO2 is obtained by the reaction of U3O8 with CO. It has black reddish brown color. Occurrence and isolation of actinide element. All the actinide element have unstable nuclei and undergo radioactive decay. TH and U are by no mean rare and made up 8.1 ppm and 2.3 ppm of earth crust respectively. They are in fact more abundant than tin. Occurrence and extraction of uranium. Occurrence. Uranium occur in different minerals. Peach blend contain mainly uranium as U3O8, carnotite, K2O.2UO3, V2O5.NH2O, autunite, CaUO2 twice, PO4 twice, 8H2O. Extraction of uranium. The main source of uranium is peach blend. They can be extracted through the following step. Concentration. The peach blend ore is crushed to a fine powder and concentrated by gravity separation method to remove unwanted lighter impurities. Roasting. The concentrated ore is roasted in a reversibility furnace in the presence of excess air to remove sulfur, arsenic, and other volatile impurities. Leaching with sulfuric acid. The fused mass is leached with dilute H2SO4 so that the sodium uranide changes into soluble uranyl sulfide, while impurities such as PbSO4 and RaSO4 remain insoluble and are filtered off. Treatment with sodium carbonate. The solution is treated with excess of sodium carbonate when impurities such as aluminium, nickel, cobalt, manganese get precipitated as basic carbonate, while uranium remains in solution as sodium tricarbonate uranide. Treatment with sulfuric acid. The insoluble carbonate are filtered off and the solution is nourished with dilute sulfuric acid and evaporates to dryness when sodium diuranide is obtained as a heavier yellow precipitate. Treatment with ammonium carbonate. The yellow precipitate of sodium diuranate is digested with ammonium carbonate, resulting in the formation of soluble ammonium uranyl carbonate. The insoluble properties are filtered off. Chemistry of separation of neptunium, plutonium, and americium from uranium. These are produced mainly from uranium in nuclear reactors. Natural uranium consists a large proportion of 238U, whereas 235U is present only to the extent of 0.7%. In the nuclear reactor, the interaction of slow neutrons with U present in natural uranium give rise to those elements due to the nuclear reaction. Americium can be obtained by selection of N gamma reaction starting with Pu in the nuclear reactor. The yield of the heavier element is controlled by the two factors: the half-life of various isotopes by their ability to absorb neutrons. These elements are extracted from spent fuel rod which have been used in a nuclear reactor. However, it may be noted that their separation is very difficult and hazardous. It is because they are not only mixed with heavier radioactive fission product but the material is also fissile. Moreover, Pu is extremely toxic and carcinogenic. Some of these are second row transition element, the extraction of NP, Pu and Am involve the following procedure. Comparison of actinides and lactinide series. Both involve filling of f orbital. They show close resemblance in some of the properties but differ in many properties. Some of the important points of similarities are discussed below. Both exist plus oxidation state of +3 in both the series. F orbital are being progressively filled. Actinides and lactinides having same number of unpaired electrons have quite similar spectra. Both are electropositive and have high reactivity. Like lanthanide contraction, there is actinide contraction. The nitrides, sulfonides of trivalent actinides and lactinides are soluble, whereas the hydroxides, fluorides and carbonate of the element of both the series and insoluble. Actinides like lactinides show ion exchange behavior. The difference between lactinides and actinides. Important point of difference are summed as below. Oxidation state. Lactinides show mainly +3 oxidation state except in few cases where it is +2 and +4. In addition of +3 oxidation state, they also show higher like +4, +5, +6, +7. For example, uranium exhibit oxidation state of +3, +4, +5, +6. +6 is stable in compounds such as UF6, UO2 2 positive. Chemistry of element. Because of large energy gap between 4f and 5d subshell, their chemistry is fairly similar. Due to very small energy gap between 5f and 6d subshell, there is a variability in chemistry of element. Binding energy of 4f are higher, binding energy of 5f is lower. Shielding effect. 4f electron have greater shielding effect, therefore the contraction in their ionic radii is less. 5f elements have poor shielding effect, therefore the contraction in their size is more. Tendency to form complex. The tendency to form complex is less. Their complex with pi bonding ligands are not known. They have greater tendency to form complex. They form stable complex with pi bonding ligands such as alkyl phosphines and thioethers, etc. Comparison of d block element with f block element. D block element involve the filling of penultimate n-1d orbital, whereas f block element involve the filling of anti-penultimate orbital. Therefore, in comparison of f block element with d block element are strongly influenced by the nature of surrounding ligands because their d orbital project out more than f orbital. In other words, the d orbital in d block elements can interact strongly with their surroundings, but f element in f block element do not interact strongly with their surroundings. The main difference between are size of atom or ion of d block are smaller than that of f block. Ionization energy. First ionization energy value of d block element are higher as compared to f block element. Oxidation state of d block are greater, show greater variety of oxidation state compared to f block element, particularly lactinoids. Basic character. The oxides and hydroxide of F block element are more basic than D block element. Complex formation. The elements of D block element are form complex easily as compared to F block element. F block element mainly form metal chelates with stronger chelating ligand. Transuranic element. In the actinide series, uranium is the last among the naturally occurring elements are having atomic number higher than uranium do not occur in nature. They are prepared in the laboratory through nuclear reaction. These elements are known as transuranium elements. They are radioactive in nature and very short-lived. The number of such elements are slowly increasing, and up to date periodic table involves element with atomic number 17. All other are synthesized in laboratory. Synthesis of transuranium element. All these are prepared by nuclear reactions which involve bombardment of neutrons on alpha particle or some other particle. Say some examples are preparation of neptunium. They are prepared by M.C. Millen and Philip Abelson in 1940 at Berkeley. It was prepared by bombardment of uranium with a slow neutron when a new isotope of uranium was obtained. The new isotope of uranium is much more radioactive than the natural uranium. It has beta particle and give a new element of atomic number 93 which do not occur in nature. The element is known as neptunium. It is named after the planet Neptune. Preparation of plutonium. Z is equal to 90. Neptunium is also radioactive and emits a beta particle giving another element of atomic number 94 known as plutonium. Neutonium was discovered by Seaborg and his co-worker. It is named after the planet Platinum. Actually, 3 isotopes of plutonium with the atomic mass 260, 236, 238 and 230 are formed. Preparation of berkelium. It was synthesized by Seaborg and his co-workers by bombarding americium-241 with higher speed alpha particle. Other isotope of berkelium was synthesized in a similar reaction in which alpha particles are captured without neutron emission. Preparation of californium. It was synthesized by bombardment of curium-242 with alpha particle. 2 isotopes of element are formed. Preparation of einsteinium. It was obtained by the bombardment of an isotope of californium with neutrons. The californium isotope of mass number 253 obtained during the bombardment process, yielding einsteinium as a result of beta ray emission. It was synthesized by bombarding uranium-238 with nitrogen nuclei accelerated by cyclotron. Preparation of ferrocenium. It was prepared by bombarding einsteinium-253 with neutron. Preparation of mendelevium. It was prepared by bombarding einsteinium-253 with alpha particle. Preparation of nobelium, prepared by bombarding curium-246 with accelerated stripped carbon. Preparation of lawrencium. It was prepared by bombarding californium-250 with accelerated stripped boron. Later actinides. The element formed from curium onwards, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, ferrium, nobelium, lawrencium are called later actinides. The isotope 242 cm was first isolated among the produced of alpha bombardment of Pu, and its discovery actually predicts that of americium. This is available in microscopic quantities while all other are available only in tracer amount. Isotopes of other elements were first identified in products from the first hydrogen bombard explosion or in cyclotron bombardment. Much less is known about these elements because of their limited availability and their instability. Like lactanides, the plus 3 oxidation state is most stable for all the elements from atomic number 96 to 103. The most stable state of NO is plus 2 because it has favorable F14 electronic configuration. The element from 98 to 102 show plus 2 oxidation state. Also expect from nobelium, the state is strongly reducing in nature. Higher oxidation state of plus 4 are also formed in Cn and other element. Lawrencium exhibit only in plus 3 state and restrict both oxidation and reduction. The oxidation state of later actinides are similar to lactanides. The spectral and magnetic properties of some compounds of isoelectronic pairs of iron such as CmF3 and GdF3 are also similar. This is due to the almost similar size of energy required for the promotion of 5F to 6D in later actinides and as in case of lactanides. However, for the earlier actinides, less energy required for promotion of 5F to 6D than for 4F to 5D promotion in lactanides. Possible new elements. Until 1970, it was thought the practical limit of periodic table would be reached at about element 108. It has been theoretically calculated that the half of elements will decrease further as new elements are discovered, so much so that the half-life of longest lived isotope of element beyond element 108 will be very short due to spontaneous fission decay. However, these theoretical calculation do not discourage the scientist, and they are successfully in discovering element up to atomic number 112, which makes the comparison of actinide series of 5F subshell, which is completely full at element with atomic number 103, and 6D subshell with atomic number 112. Even special stability is predicted for element with atomic number 114. The name are derived by combining together the roots in the order of digits which makes up the atomic number, and em is added at the end. For example, the atomic number 109 and the number may be written as un1 plus nil 0 plus quad 4 plus will equal to un nil quadinium, and is assigned the symbol UnQ. The IUPAC name for the element with atomic number more than 100 are given below. Like for 101 unnilinium, 102 unnilbium, next is 103 unniltrium, and so on. These are all the atomic numbers. So here our chapter is completed. Thank you for watching.